Hi there. So I am going to go through how I use screencasting to record lessons for school, just in case anyone wants to do something like this. So you start with this screen here, so just go to screencast-o-matic.com, so that's screencast-o-matic.com. When you load it up, you'll probably have to log on here, so on the right hand side, click down and just create an account. And when you have an account created, what it allows you to do is it allows you to record what you see on the screen, and then you can talk over it. So you just click here, then go down and click start recording for free, and what you'll see then is the next screen that pops up is this one. Okay, so you just see screen recorder, you're still on your own account, and then it says launch free recorder. So you click on launch free recorder, and that brings us to here. So the first time you do this, you're going to have to download an executable. Basically, you're going to download a program that will download onto your laptop, and it will run. So the first time you do it, you have to download it, but after that you just need to click, so every time you do it, it'll ask you for permission to open Screen Recorder Launcher. So just click on open Screen Recorder Launcher. That lets you record away, and then you will see this screen pops up. Okay, so on this screen what you have is the black and white outline. See those lines there? That is the part of your screen that it's going to let you record. Okay, so see these lines here, you can drag them out, or the corner ones, you can expand it or you can contract it to record just that part of the screen. Okay, now I don't normally use webcam, but you could click on webcam and it'll record your face in a little box in the corner and the screen at the same time. So you might want to do that for I don't know what lesson you might want to do that for. Maybe music, if you're showing them how to play the tin whistle, you might want to show them the notation on the screen, and then you showing them the fingering on a webcam. You might want to use the webcam, but normally I just record the screen. And when you've opened this, the one thing you need to be careful with is the narration one. So it's where the microphone or the sound is coming from. So you click on narration there, and you will see this screen comes up. So on narration, I have a headset that I use, so just pick the one that's best, pick the one that works best for your computer. So your own microphone on your computer might work, or you might need to plug in an external one. Normally with the new laptops, the built-in microphone on the computer is good enough. And when you've clicked into this here, it'll let you test it. So what you'll see is this screen here, I think. So it'll let you see this screen, and then when you see the screen as you're talking, these green bars are going to come out and go back. Now the reason you can't see any of this live is I'm actually using screencast-o-matic, that software, to record this, so I can't run the program within the program, so I've just used screenshots to show you how it works. So as you talk here, you'll see the green lines go out, and then you can hit record to record a sample bit of audio, and then this will turn to test, and just click test, and you'll hear back whether or not the audio is good or not. Once you've done that, click OK, and then you're going to see the last screen, which is... Sorry, that is the last screen that you see, isn't it? Yeah, that's the last screen. See, all you need to do after that is just click on the record button. And once you click on the record button, it'll record, remember, it'll record whatever is in the screen, whatever is in this part of the screen. And you can just record, record up to 15 minutes. That's all you get to record on the free version. So, but I think 15 minutes is probably loads for us for now. Okay, hope that was of some help.